Nick, I need you to go all the way flat against the wall. So you're going to have something you can work with. All right, the strip camera left. Let's move that. So this is where it's going to be a little bit tricky because I want you to lean it. And that's as low as it goes right there?
Oh, no. There we go.
Perfect. All right, Nick, let's have you back against the wall.
Okay, so you want me right here.
Yeah. Okay. And then we'll do the same thing for the other strip.
Like, put it back, you know what I mean?
Key light is right here. That's this one.
All right, key light, let's move that in. That one's going to be pretty close to the wall. Is it touching the ceiling?
It's like it's a couple inches off. There we go.
What's going on, everybody? Basically here today, we are in Denver, Colorado, and we are in Pennsylvania. We're doing a long shoot. We've got an amazing model. She'll be showing up later. So this one is the only one we found for the time being. So I apologize. Trying to get better talent, but Pennsylvania is slacking a little bit. She's amazing.
Sorry, at this point.
Yeah. We have Nick based out of, is it Philadelphia? Where are you at?
Westchester, Pennsylvania.
Westchester, Pennsylvania. I have no idea where that is, but they have
right outside of the city, like 30 minutes.
30 minutes outside the city. Yeah. We have Matt's and we have Christian helping out. So Matt's a photographer based out of the same area. And there he is right there. And Christian is the big man behind the Zoom camera. Let's show Christian.
Hello. Hi, everyone.
We have almost the same hair.
Yeah, it is very similar, actually.
Yeah, well, his is.
There we go.
I apologize for the quarantine hair. It's no cut until we're allowed out. But so what we're doing here is we're doing something a little bit different. So one of the popular trends out there right now is doing the long distance shooting, oftentimes using FaceTime or Zoom. And so the tweak that we're doing on this is Matt's a photographer. He's setting up his strobes. We're going to still use Zoom, so that way I can still see, the interaction. But we have the shots using Tethered. We're going to hook those lights up to Dropbox so I can see what the shots look like. He's going to be the one behind the camera using the trigger, but then I'm going to be the one that kind of talks about the posing and all that stuff. So hopefully you see something that you like. If you learn something new, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell to get updates every time I post new content. And if you don't like what you like, leave a thumbs down on their pages because, that's how it goes. Y'all ready?
All right, let's do it.
All right, let's see what we got. All right, so we have 3 lights. We have 2 lights with strips. We got grids on those strips, and then we have 1 light above. Let me check to see what this last shot. All right, so that shot is a little bit hot, so let's change your aperture. What are you shooting at right now?
6.3.
6.3. What's your shutter speed at?
125.
Let's go to 1/200. What's your ISO?
You want ISO at 100?
ISO 100, yes, sir.
All right, let's try this again.
And then let's actually change that to f8 and see how that shot looks like. Nick, don't worry too much about posing right now. All right, so let's do a couple different tweaks. So you're at 1/200. We need to increase the outputs of your 2 strips.
64th.
Your key is at what, 1/2?
Yeah.
And those are 640 watts on those 2. Let's take that one to 1/4. And we'll do the same thing, camera left as well. What I'm looking for here, the reason why I shoot in black and white, like we're still shooting raw, but the preview is in black and white, just so I can see the contrast a little bit better. What I'm looking for is, is there enough oil? We're going to need to put a little bit more oil on the skin.
Yeah, I'm getting dry.
Perfect. One thing that I want to kind of let you know is I'm very OCD. I'm a control freak. I'm very, very picky.
Okay.
And with that said, we need to get your hair wet as well because your hair is pretty dry.
Yep. We got a spray bottle.
Perfect. All right, so big thing I want you to focus on, I want you to focus on your eyes and your mouth. That's about it. And so eyes, you think about something super delicious. What
chocolate.
Okay, talk to me about this chocolate. What kind? Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate?
Ooh, we want milk chocolate on strawberries and drizzle
strawberries.
White chocolate, maybe some caramel in there.
Hey, okay.
Or chocolate lava cakes. I'm all about those. You're talking to a girl on prep, so anything covered in sugar, give it to me.
Anything with sugar. I like it. All right, so what I want is I want you to think about all these things covered in chocolate and sugar. And with just your eyes, yeah, just like that. Anything that makes you say, oh, that sounds delicious. Just like that. Mouth, I want you to breathe through your mouth. I don't want you to open it and hold it, but I want you to have a little bit of a gap so I can see a little bit of teeth. Everything else is gonna be a lot of stretching. If you're not sore tomorrow, it means you didn't try hard enough. So your lower back is gonna be sore and your core is gonna be sore. It's gonna be sore. English.
There we go.
And core?
Yep. Imagine you have to pee really bad, so you're pinching that knee over like, yeah, there you go. Good. Head back against the wall, chin up. Good. I want you to drop your left shoulder. Turn your head to your left. Turn your face. Push all the hair up. There. I want you to kind of massage the hair a little bit more. Push all the hair up. Get it a little bit crazier. Good. A little bit more gap in the mouth. Good. Perfect. More arch. Drop that left shoulder down a little bit. Good. Bring that face to me a tiny bit more. Good. Chin up. Good. I want you to look over at Matt's left shoulder. All right, relax a second. I want to take a look at some of these shots. All right, when your hands are up, one thing I want you to be careful of. When you raise your hands up like this, I don't want your shoulders up too high because then it makes it look like you're shrugging a little bit.
Okay.
When both hands are here, drop the shoulders down, and then let's take a look at that one. What's the file number of that one?
This one was. Oh wait. Maybe we even
You
know.
need to like.
Yeah.
038 on that one.
You want to do it?
Touch it.
Here, you can do it.
3/8. Okay, yeah, let's tweak that one. Oh, I like that. Yeah, 144. The mouth is perfect. If you look at the mouth on 144, what I like about that one is the mouth doesn't make a smile. You know what I mean?
Yeah, 145 too. Almost the same.
I like these moving shots.
There you have a behind the scenes of a long distance. What was this called?
That was a.
What did I put? Tether.
What would you call that?
I don't know.
Long distance online tweaks for FaceTime photo shoots. Matt did incredible as well. So because of Matt, we had the lighting, we had the camera, we had the tethering, we had all that stuff. It was really cool being able to shoot from so far away. The model was okay.
Maybe we'll see more of me in Vegas. We'll see.
Rule number
I
one:
can redeem myself.
compliment the model. That's what I tell everybody. Don't over compliment the models. But she actually did really, really good. Yeah. For those of you that are watching this, if you're in the Vegas area, we have a large group. We're at about like 30 people right now. We're going to be doing a ton of shoots, June 18th through the 21st. Matt might even grow a pair, and he might even show up, but I don't know.
We're gonna be there.
I'm coming.
Be there, be
Yeah.
square.
Now we're going to have 32 people out in Vegas, possibly 33. But,
Yeah.
if you saw something new and you want to try it at home, I would love to see the images. I'd love to hear about your experience trying this long distance shooting. So please comment down below. And huge shout out to my friend Liza over in the UK. She's the one that started this, amongst our group, this whole long distance shooting thing. And so now I'm just trying to one up her because her shots have been amazing.
Her bedroom shot was awesome.
Oh, wasn't it?
It was so good. It was so good. I saw that and I was like,
Talk
I
nice
love
about
it.
other people. No, I don't want Liza to hear good things about her. No, tell her.
I'm sorry. I wasn't saying anything. I take it back.
Yeah, tell her that she was horrible. Liza, you were horrible.
Horrible. The worst.
Yeah, he said
But
it.
very pretty. Cough, cough.
Yeah. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please leave a comment down below. And until the next video, keep shooting.
That's my profile picture.